Healthy noodle recipes for weight loss.
Hello, health enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore some delicious and nutritious noodle recipes that can support your weight loss journey. We'll focus on wholesome ingredients, portion control, and balance of nutrients. Ready to make noodles your friend, not foe? Let's dive in.
Why are noodles in a weight loss diet?
You might be wondering, aren't noodles high in carbs? While traditional, refined noodles are indeed high in carbohydrates, there are many healthy alternatives such as whole grain, soba, buckwheat, and veggie noodles like Zoodles, zucchini noodles. These provide more fiber, keeping you fuller for longer, and are part of a balanced diet when paired with proteins and vegetables.
Recipe 1: Veggie-Packed whole wheat spaghetti.
This recipe serves up a delicious whole wheat spaghetti dish filled with colorful veggies, lean protein, and balanced with a light sauce. Ingredients: whole wheat spaghetti, olive oil, lean chicken breast, bell peppers, zucchini, spinach, low-sodium marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese. Directions: 1. Cook the whole wheat spaghetti as per package instructions. 2. In a pan, sauté lean chicken breast until fully cooked. 3. Add bell peppers and zucchini, cook until tender. 4. Stir in the cooked spaghetti, spinach, and marinara sauce. 5. Top with a sprinkle of Parmesan.
Recipe 2: Shrimp and Zoodles stir-fry.
This next recipe features Zoodles, a fantastic low-carb noodle substitute that's high in nutrients. Ingredients: zucchini, olive oil, shrimp, garlic, soy sauce, low sodium, green onions, sesame seeds. Directions: 1. Spiralize the zucchini to create your Zoodles. 2. In a pan, sauté shrimp and garlic until cooked. 3. Add the Zoodles and soy sauce, stir-frying for a few minutes. 4. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds.
Meal planning with noodle dishes.
For effective weight loss, plan your noodle meals around balanced portions. Half your plate should be filled with veggies, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with your noodles. Remember, weight loss is not just about what you eat but also about portion sizes. There you have it. Noodles can definitely fit into a weight loss diet when chosen wisely and paired with the right ingredients. With these recipes and meal planning tips, you're well on your way to enjoying delicious, nutritious meals that support your health goals. Happy cooking, and remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process.